Welcome to our exploration of the breathtaking wonders of Namibia, a country that boasts some of the most stunning landscapes and unique attractions on the African continent. From the towering red dunes of Sossusvlei to the rugged beauty of the Fish River Canyon, Namibia is a land of contrasts that captivates the imagination. This video will take you on a journey through its diverse ecosystems, where you can witness the stark beauty of the Namib Desert, the lush greenery of the Vacabee Strip, and the wildlife-rich Etosha National Park. As we delve into the heart of Namibia, you'll discover not only its natural wonders but also its rich cultural heritage. The vibrant traditions of the Himba and San people offer a glimpse into the lives of the indigenous communities that have thrived in this remarkable landscape for centuries. Each destination we explore will reveal the unique stories and experiences that make Namibia a must-visit for any traveler. Get ready to be inspired as we showcase the most amazing places in Namibia, from the surreal landscapes of Dedflay to the enchanting coastal town of Swakopmund. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or someone looking to immerse yourself in rich cultural experiences, Namibia has something for everyone. So, sit back, relax, and let us guide you through this incredible journey, igniting your wanderlust and encouraging you to explore the wonders that await in this extraordinary country. The Namib Desert. Welcome to the Namib Desert, a mesmerizing expanse that is not only one of the oldest deserts in the world but also a stunning showcase of nature's artistry. Among its most iconic features are the towering red dunes of Sossusvlei and Dedflay, which rise dramatically against the clear blue sky. These dunes, some reaching heights of over 300 meters, are a photographer's dream, especially at sunrise and sunset when they glow with vibrant hues of orange and red. Dedflay, with its stark white clay pan and ancient, dead camel thorn trees, creates a surreal landscape that feels otherworldly. But the Namib Desert is not just about its breathtaking vistas, it is also home to a unique array of wildlife and plant life that have adapted to thrive in this harsh environment. From the nimble springbok to the elusive desert-adapted elephants, the fauna here has evolved remarkable survival strategies. The Welwitschia plant, a true desert survivor, can live for over 1,000 years, showcasing the resilience of life in this arid landscape. For those seeking adventure, the Namib Desert offers exhilarating activities that allow you to experience its beauty up close. Sandboarding down the steep dunes provides an adrenaline rush like no other, while hot air ballooning offers a breathtaking aerial view of the desert's vastness, allowing you to appreciate its grandeur from above. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast or a nature lover, the Namib Desert promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe of its timeless beauty. Etosha National Park. Welcome to Etosha National Park, a wildlife haven that showcases the incredible biodiversity of Namibia. Spanning over 22,000 square kilometers, this park is home to a diverse range of animals, making it one of Africa's premier safari destinations. Here, you can witness majestic elephants roaming in herds, powerful lions lounging in the shade, and the endangered black and white rhinos grazing peacefully. The park's unique ecosystem supports a variety of wildlife, including giraffes, zebras, and numerous antelope species, all coexisting in this stunning landscape. One of the most striking features of Etosha is its vast salt pans, which cover about a quarter of the park. These salt flats, formed by ancient lakes that have long since dried up, play a crucial role in the ecosystem. During the rainy season, the pans fill with water, attracting a multitude of birds and wildlife seeking hydration. The contrast between the shimmering white salt and the surrounding savanna creates a breathtaking backdrop for wildlife viewing, making it a photographer's paradise. For those seeking an unforgettable adventure, a safari experience in Etosha National Park is a must. Whether you choose to explore the park on a guided tour or embark on a self-drive adventure, the thrill of spotting wildlife in their natural habitat is unparalleled. As you traverse the park's diverse landscapes, you'll have the opportunity to witness the beauty of nature up close and create lasting memories. So pack your bags and get ready for an extraordinary journey into the heart of Etosha National Park, where the wonders of wildlife await. Fish River Canyon. Welcome to the stunning Fish River Canyon, one of the largest canyons in the world and a true marvel of nature. Stretching over 160 kilometers in length, 27 kilometers in width, and reaching depths of up to 550 meters, this geological wonder offers breathtaking views that will leave you in awe. The canyon was formed millions of years ago through a combination of tectonic activity and erosion, creating dramatic cliffs and unique rock formations that tell the story of the Earth's history. Standing at the rim, visitors are treated to panoramic vistas that showcase the canyon's rugged beauty, especially during sunrise and sunset when the colors of the landscape come alive. For adventure enthusiasts, Fish River Canyon presents incredible hiking opportunities. The annual Fish River Canyon hike attracts trekkers from around the globe, offering a challenging yet rewarding experience as you traverse the canyon floor. This multi-day hike allows you to immerse yourself in the stunning surroundings, with the chance to witness the canyon's unique geological features up close. The trek is not only a test of endurance but also an opportunity to connect with nature in one of the most beautiful settings on Earth. The canyon is also home to a variety of unique flora and fauna that have adapted to the harsh environment. From hardy succulents to the elusive klipspringer, the wildlife here is a testament to nature's resilience. As you explore the Fish River Canyon, you'll discover a rich tapestry of life that thrives in this breathtaking landscape, making it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Swakopmund. Welcome to Swakopmund, a vibrant coastal town that perfectly blends adventure and culture along Namibia's stunning Atlantic coastline. Known as the adventure capital of the country, Swakopmund offers a plethora of thrilling activities that cater to adrenaline junkies and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Imagine racing across the vast sand dunes on a quad bike, feeling the rush of wind as you navigate the undulating terrain. For those seeking an even bigger thrill, skydiving over the breathtaking landscape provides an unforgettable experience, with panoramic views of the desert meeting the ocean. Surfing is also popular here, with the chilly Atlantic waters offering excellent waves for both beginners and seasoned surfers. Beyond its adventure sports, Swakopmund is rich in history and culture, characterized by its charming German colonial architecture. Strolling through the town, you'll encounter beautifully preserved buildings that reflect its colonial past, alongside local markets and eateries that showcase Namibian culture. This unique blend creates a captivating atmosphere that invites visitors to explore and appreciate the town's heritage. Swakopmund also serves as a gateway to nearby attractions that are well worth a visit. Just a short drive away lies the Skeleton Coast, famous for its haunting shipwrecks and dramatic landscapes, where the desert meets the ocean. Cape Cross, home to a large colony of Cape fur seals, offers a chance to witness these playful creatures in their natural habitat. With its thrilling activities, rich history, and stunning surroundings, Swakopmund is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the best of Namibia's coastal charm. Damaraland. Welcome to Damaraland, a region renowned for its rugged beauty and rich cultural heritage, making it a must-visit destination in Namibia. One of the highlights of Damaraland is the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Twyfelfontein, home to one of the largest collections of petroglyphs in Africa. These ancient rock engravings, created by the Sand People thousands of years ago, provide a fascinating glimpse into the lives and beliefs of early inhabitants. As you explore the site, you'll encounter over 2,500 engravings depicting animals, human figures, and various symbols, each telling a story of the past and connecting us to our ancient ancestors. Damaraland is also famous for its unique desert-adapted elephants, a remarkable population that has adapted to thrive in this arid environment. These gentle giants roam the rugged terrain in search of water and food, showcasing their incredible resilience. Observing these elephants in their natural habitat is a truly unforgettable experience, highlighting the region's rich biodiversity. The stunning landscapes of Damaraland offer endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. From the dramatic granite mountains to the vast plains dotted with unique flora, the scenery is nothing short of breathtaking. Hiking enthusiasts will find numerous trails that lead to panoramic viewpoints, allowing you to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the area. Whether you're trekking through the rugged terrain or simply soaking in the views, Damaraland promises an adventure that combines history, wildlife, and stunning landscapes, making it a highlight of any Namibian journey. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of Namibia, it's clear that this remarkable country offers an incredible array of diverse landscapes and attractions that captivate the imagination. From the iconic red dunes of the Namib Desert to the wildlife-rich expanses of Etosha National Park, Namibia is a land of breathtaking beauty and adventure. The stunning Fish River Canyon, the vibrant coastal town of Swakopmund, and the ancient rock engravings of Damaraland all contribute to a rich tapestry of experiences that await travelers. Each destination we explored showcases the unique charm and character of Namibia, inviting you to immerse yourself in its natural wonders and cultural heritage. Whether you're seeking thrilling adventure sports, serene landscapes, or a glimpse into ancient history, Namibia has something for everyone. We encourage you to consider these amazing places for your next travel adventure, as they promise unforgettable memories and experiences. If you enjoyed this exploration of Namibia's wonders, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more travel content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts who are eager to discover the beauty of Namibia. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting travel stories and insights from around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you in our next adventure as we explore more incredible destinations together.